Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm here. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Gogui and I run TimelessLook. Today I'll be introducing to me and to you guys a find I found in BOOHOO.com, and it's their eyeshadow palette. If you are like me and you've shopped before in BOOHOO, I'm pretty sure you've completely missed out on the makeup, which I personally did not know they had. And I decided to buy this purpley nude pink eyeshadow palette, which to my surprise you'll see in this video how well it blended, how well it didn't blend, if it was a headache to use or if it was the greatest find for under $3. It's for you guys to discover. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, make sure to keep on watching. Alright, hi guys, here I am with my bare face. I wanted to buy the Cherry Blossom palette by Urban Decay. However, I know personally I'm not going to be using that every day. So I was online shopping in BOOHOO and I found this $2 or $2.99 US dollars eyeshadow palette with the nicest colors ever, and obviously I wanted to share it with you. Some of them obviously I've been swatching just to see the color payoff and the actual color, but this color scheme is amazing because you could pull off a couple of different looks as well as one full lid look with this color palette. Not to mention it's a very wintry, cranberry-esque color scheme, so I appreciate that. This BOOHOO palette has 8 colors, and it has these 3 which are matte, and then we have like this, and this that is a shimmer, and this is like a matte slash shimmer, so I'm gonna say it's like a satin look, but everything else is gonna be metallic slash shimmers. So I do want to concentrate my look today in having a very cranberry or a very rosy pink look. So without further ado, I'm going to put you in closer for you to see the details of my look. So now that I have you up close and personal, I'm going to use a very fluffy brush. I don't even know what brand this is. I've had it since forever. But it could be used like as a highlighting brush. It could be used as a dusting brush. And I personally love to use it as a transitioning brush. I usually prefer to start my eyes off with a very natural muted shade just to have it as a base, like a canvas. I just want to put a transition color as a base. I'm gonna go in with the first color in the top right, and not to mention these don't have any names, the top right color. And I'm just gonna go in the upper lid, between the upper lid and the crease, and just lightly go in windshield motions left to right. So the color payoff in this $2 or $2.99 eyeshadow palette is actually pretty good. You could definitely see the color and how much of a muted pink this is against my skin. So for $2, I do like this shade. Like, you could go so wrong for $2.99, and this at the moment is going pretty well. So the second color I'm gonna go in with is gonna be the more mauve shade right below the color we just used. With this, I'm gonna be using a tapered fluffy blending brush. This is gonna be the M441 brush by Morphe, and then going in from the outer V in towards the middle part of my lid. Surprised at how nice these colors are blending and the actual color payoff I'm getting. Now going back with the excess product I had from my first color, I'm just gonna blend everything in together. In order to add more depth into the eyes, I'm gonna go in with Morphe's M456 brush, and this is a very small detailed tapered brush. I would call it also a blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with the other matte shade, the gray color, right next to the lightest pink. and just like lightly tap it and put it right in my crease, just to add a general touch of depth and definition into my crease. I'm now gonna go in with the more magenta shade in the middle. This is not called anything, I forgot it does not have any names, but I'm gonna go in with this shade and even create more depth in that outer V. With that same brush, I'm gonna go again with that magenta and go inside of the lash line and kind of just smoke that out. With a lighter concealer, I'm gonna go into the inner part of my eye, in both eyes, and just cut my crease. Now that we have that done, I'm gonna be using, instead of the magenta shade, the darker purple shade right here, because it's kind of a bright color purple. And I'm gonna go in with a synthetic brush and just dab it into the middle. Wow, this is beautiful. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but hey, that is beautiful. Look at that shimmer. I'm gonna go in with this gray, with this satin gray. And in the other side of that brush, I'm just gonna tap and smudge, tap and smudge. I'm literally just tapping and smudging to get a better color payoff, as well as to blend those two middle colors in together. And for my last color, I'm gonna go in with this very light shimmery pink, and I'm gonna use it for my inner eye as well as for the inner corners of my eye. And this smudge brush is by Elf Cosmetics. Who would have said this is a $2 palette I am using for my eyes, okay? I tried using almost every color, if not every color in this. And now what I am going to do is I'm just going to blend a little bit everything all together, especially in that upper area of the eye, just for everything to kind of blend in seamlessly. And what I want to do is that I want to go back in with that brush I was brushing in the second mauve color right here. And then again, I'm gonna go in with that grayish shade and just define everything together. Okay, now that I'm semi done with my eyes, I'm just gonna add some mascara because I don't want to add any false lashes. And I'll be right back in a minute. Hey guys, so I am back. I just added a little bit of mascara and some blush. I think I added way too much blush to my nose, but who's counting? It's all right. But I just wanted to show you my final look, which is this amazing cherry blossom-esque magenta and lavender eye makeup look. So ooh, yes, you see that shimmer, you see that lavender. So guys, yeah, that's my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I was incredibly surprised. Not only, one, I did not know BOOHOO carried makeup, so that was like a surprise that came up to me in like newest that I saw, and I'm like, okay, let me click on that. I liked the colors, as I mentioned before. I was interested in initially buying the Cherry Blossom palette, but this clearly came along and I'm like, okay, this works. I like it. It's like an amethysty cranberry-esque winter slash lavenderland kind of look, which I love and I'm living for. And the colors are super blendable. The color payoff is amazing, especially for the price. You don't even get this in certain and in some $40 palettes, so that's something to say with a $2 palette from BOOHOO. who would have said honestly. So if you ever see them and you're shopping online in BOOHOO, I would highly recommend you to get it. It's a good present you could give out. It's something that you could just use in an everyday basis if you're the kind of person that does not want to use their expensive palettes all the time, which is understandable. So with this being said, I appreciate you guys watching my video. If you like this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me at TimelessLook in Instagram. And with that being said, peace and love, my timeless souls. I'll be seeing you in the next one.